Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today, by the title you can see, we're going to be eating some Burger King. Yeah, some Burger King. I'm going to try the Impossible Whopper today. I'm excited. I hope it tastes like a Whopper, which I know it probably won't. But as you guys know, or may not know, I don't eat beef or pork, so this is kind of like right up my alley. Okay, so I have a Hershey pie, the Impossible Whopper. I added cheese to mine. I have some onion rings and some mozzarella sticks, and I have a peach Sprite mixed with a peach. I have a peach Sprite mixed with a raspberry Sprite. And guys, guess what? So like I said, I always say I don't eat marinara sauce, but we'll try it. I always say my grace off camera. So is okay, so the point, what is the point of the Impossible Whopper? Because if it's like a vegan type thing, then why do they put mayonnaise on it? Is it targeted towards vegans or what? Okay, let's taste it. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. It's pretty darn close to, ew, I just spit. It's pretty darn close to a Whopper. So I don't know if I said it already, but they try to say that, here's the inside. So they try to say that they're out of zesty sauce. I don't have any napkins. These fake onion rings. So yeah, the lady tried to say that they're out of zesty sauce until next year. It's nice and juicy, like a Whopper. I'm gonna have to get some napkins. Anyway. Y'all remember back in the day when Burger King sold mozzarella sticks? Those don't taste like the ones that they sold back in the day. I would say the mozzarella sticks that they had back in the day were like White Castle's mozzarella sticks. These, they have a good flavor to them, but but they're definitely not the same ones. So I'm loving this Impossible Whopper. Will I purchased it again? Yes, only because, like I said, I don't eat beef or pork, so oh my gosh, and it's the bomb. Let's get into this drink. It's leaking. Good thing I have on black shirt. You know, I don't drink pop, so when I do, it's a treat. And that combination of peach and raspberry, bomb. Y'all, this burger is bomb. I'm sure everybody has already tried it, but for me to add my little 2 cents in, it's really good. So, if you're like me and you don't eat beef or pork, I do not like marinara sauce. Marinara sauce is like strawberries. For me, like, I don't like strawberries either. They are completely disgusting. But I will always give it another try just to make sure I don't like it. So that's how I am with marinara sauce. I cannot stand it, but I always try to. No. Ugh. It just gave me the chills. Yeah. No. Although, me and my husband go to this. Do y'all have a BJ's in your area? I think it's BJ's that we usually get the mozzarella sticks from. They have really good mozzarella sticks, and I think it's their marinara sauce that I like because it doesn't taste like pizza sauce or like too tomatoey, or I don't know. It's just there's something about marinara that I don't like because I barely like sauce on my pizza. That is crazy how much it tastes like a Whopper. Let's try this Hershey pie. Okay, so when I was younger, I rarely ate McDonald's because I didn't like McDonald's because they had put onions on their cheeseburgers, and why would you do that to a kid? Like, why? I feel like my Hershey par, excuse me, a Hershey pie is falling apart. So this is how I have to eat my pie. I have to open it up. I can't eat it. For some reason, I can't eat it when it's all closed in like that. Bomb. Let's taste it. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So, like I said, I didn't like McDonald's when I was younger, so my mom would take me to Burger King, and it was close to where we live. But I will always get a Mighty Kids meal. I don't think I got double cheeseburger, so I think I just got a regular BK Kids meal. And I always will have to have a Hershey pie and mozzarella sticks. That's why I don't like drinking pop, because I don't like when it does that to my chest. I keep looking at my battery because I'm afraid that it's gonna die. Not die, but my memory card is gonna run out of space. That's crazy how much it looks like meat. Like, come on, focus. There we go. Isn't that crazy? I probably have stuff all over my face. I don't have no napkin. Do you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, or I don't know what it's called? I've never tried to do drag makeup before, but I want to try one day when I have time to play my makeup. Because we have a guy at work who He's into drag, and I asked him why he doesn't oh, it's too strong for my chest. I asked him why he doesn't ever, like, I'm sorry if I get this terminology wrong, because I really don't know anything about anything, like the right terminology to use or whatever. But I asked him why he never does drag or like dresses up drag or whatever. And I think he said it's because he doesn't know how to do his makeup. So I want to see if I can do it so I can do his makeup. My favorite way to eat these is in the freezer so that the cookie part can get extremely hard. Not super hard, but you know what I mean. So when you eat it, it's like nice, hard, and like a cheesecake. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling those mozzarella sticks because, like I said, those aren't the old school ones. What time is it? I'm gonna go pump and then take a nap. My burp is stuck. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Oh my gosh. It's stuck. Don't you hate that when it's just stuck like that? Yeah, I'm gonna go pump. Maybe watch How to Get Away with Murder so I can catch up, and then take a nap before my kids come home. So there's that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I will see you soon in my next video.